Welcome back. In this video, we will see that how to connect your Google AI Studio project to the GitHub. So guys, if you are just recently create any project on your Google AI Studio and if you want to connect it with the GitHub for better understanding the code and save your project for later uses, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, first of all, you just open your Google AI Studio. Okay, so this is our dashboard. So here you create your application. If you are creating the new one, so just create the new, otherwise I am already creating one application. So I'm just go for the option of my application. Okay, so guys, here you see, here is my application. Here it shows my preview. Here you see that's my emulator is now loading and it's connecting with my app. And here I am check all my codes and assist. Okay, now if you want to publish it on the cloud on your GitHub, so first you go for the option of share. In the share, here you should that we have the lot of options that we can share: your publish, your versions, your secret, and the last one is the GitHub. So you simply click the option of GitHub, and guys, here you simply click the option of sign up to the GitHub. And guys, make sure that you are already signed in your GitHub. For this, simply open your GitHub account and sign in with your right credentials that you want to use in your application. So make sure that your same accounts that you want to connect with your Google and you are first already logged in. Okay, so guys, simply logged in and guys, sign in with the GitHub to continue. After sign in, here it asks you to connect with the Google AI Studio Code and you choose your profile. Simply go down and install and authorized. After authorize, here it asks you to when your phone is ready, click the home button and you have sent via mail. So you confirm to access. So we are using the mail. So it send the verification mail and it send the code onto your mail. So you just open your mail in your mobile phone and your computer, and where you can enter the code that the Google, so 77923544. So this is my verification code, so I'm just enter and click and verify it. Okay, so it's take few seconds to complete this process, and now guys, here it is connected. Now guys, here you see that GitHub asked me to create a new repository and create a new repository descriptions. So guys, here I am just enter the name that my app. Okay, here you enter the description if you want, and here your visibility of your GitHub profile means your repository. Okay, so you choose the private, so only you can access the repo on the GitHub, and the public one, the repo will be discovered by everyone on the github.com. Now here we choose the private and enter the descriptions like a new app. Okay, then here create GitHub repository. Now it's syncing your changes and creating your repository. After a few seconds, here you check that all your data all your code is directly saved on your computer. So stage and commit all the changes. So here it shows we are uploading your changes to the GitHub. So whenever you just changes in your Google Studio Code and your profile, like your app, so you just all the commits are all automatically commit on your GitHub account. Okay, so guys, here you see this is my app, and this is the symbol of that my repository is private, and here is all my code. Okay, so here this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.